Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So into this session, I'm going to cover about a CSS. The part 1 I had covered in the last video on a stopwatch. So I will tell you how we can frame a CSS design. So here we go. So I'm writing over there dot wrapper, then the wrap is going to be help you to make over there a long word and it's going to be adjusted and like it's going to be make like a container. So color I'm just adding it. Suppose I'm writing over there a white color, then text align. So text we can put into the center or anywhere wherever we want to adjust it. It's our wish. Then come over there, positions, absolute, then top, left. So we can add any of the font, it's our wish. So I'm using this. Then font weight, oops, oops. Then the sizes will be there, like what the size of the font going to be so that it's going to be look really very nice. So with the help of size and the weight, we can adjust it into the different ways. So these are the different pixels and the transformer, we can just add it that how we can add over there the uppercase or the lowercase. It's our wish. So let's see how it's working this much. So you can see the stopwatch is looking nice. So let's add over there the time. Make all the things a letters in a great way so that the spacing going to be added into the good way. So I'm adding over there 7 pixel a space in between. Then the font size. Like any pixels, we can try to adjust it and it's going to be look great. So I'm adding over there the font of the text going to be bold so that it's going to be look really very similar to the things. And the margins with that, like at the borders, we are having margins. Suppose I'm drawing over there some paintings. So we are having different margins. At the top, we are having different bottoms, we are having different corners, we are having different. So we can add according to that. So these are going to be the margins and then I will show you how it's going to look like. Yeah. You can see the time changes in a great way now. So let's add over there buttons. So these are the buttons, the start, stop. So all that are the buttons. So how the cursor going to be reflected? So if I'm just adding over there a pointer on it, like just taking my cursor over there, then what it going to be happen? So let's check it out with this code. So padding help you to shrink my particular font or shrink my particular button 18 pixels. So we can add over there two sides. So all like web pages, whenever the web pages are there, so all the things going to be show it into the good way with the help of adding over the different stylings on a CSS. Then come over there background. So RGB. RGB is red, green, and blue. The same way we can put any RGB. Suppose I want to add over there mm, a blue color RGB. You can see that. And when I'm just changing it, it's just changing the color. So you can see it out while changing a different colors, adding over the different colors. So it's going to be working to the good way. Then comes over their borders. So whenever we are having over there some figure, there is a borders. We can add it, we can add according to the solid, or we can add over there dash, dotted. So whatever the border you want, you can just fix it out. It's your wish. So I want a shadow also. Like we walk, we are having shadows. So same way some of the websites are having over there shadows so that it's going to be reflected and show over there different pixels. So let's add over there gray color. So shadow looks like gray. So that's why I'm adding over there gray color. You can change it also. It's your wish. The semicolon is there. And then come over there, the border radius. So 5 pixels. Then closing over there a curly bracket. So it's already closed. Let's see. So you can see that all our texture into the good way. Earlier was looking a little bit dull. So let's add over there hovers. So hover is going to be like that. If I just touch on this start button, it's going to be change a color. That's going to be the hovers. Buttons, hover. It's going to be highlighted into the different way. So the color going to be changed so that it's going to be show a difference that how it's going to be shown and how it's going to be work into the gray way. Solid, 2 pixels, RGB. So the RGB I'm adding over there the previous one only. Hmm, yeah. Then color, sky blue, semicolon. So let me open into a new tab so that it's going to show in a great way. So I'm adding over there start button. You can see it's working fine, stop working